Alright, so we have another project going on today. A couple of them going on today, but this one is going to be the headlights. So you see I don't know if these are original headlights, but they look very used, to say the least. So we went ahead, instead of trying to like refinish the headlights or defog them, I just went ahead and bought new headlights for it. I guess they shipped in separate boxes because only one has arrived. Hopefully the other one will be here by the time I get this one in. So there's the old versus the new. I don't know, I think it's going to look pretty cool. Now we got to figure out how to take these out. Shouldn't be that hard. So hopefully this should be relatively quick and easy. Being this is a 1994 E350 chassis, and headlights and lots of other things on vehicles used to be a lot easier to fix. Like these headlights, for example, they have two clips holding it in. One here, one here. So you have to push them back and pop them up, and then, you know, just kind of wiggle the headlight casing out. And then there's just like a wiring harness that plugs into the bulb, which is, you know, installed in the lamp. So my plan is to put the camera on the tripod here, pop those two things, get the headlight out, take the harness off, plug into the new one, and slide it back in. In theory, it should take like 5 minutes. But like I said, this is a J&J project, and we only have one headlight right now. So I'll get this one done, and hopefully the other one arrives today, or else she's going to look kind of weird. Alright, so I'm just going to use a adjustable wrench or pliers. They're in my pocket somewhere. Okay. So again, you're going to push this back and then pop it up. So that one's pretty easy. I think this one's going to give me a little bit of trouble. Let me go on the side here. Push it back. Pop it up. Let's see. So that's what it is. Let me take you in there and show you the harness. Alright, so here's the wiring harness. So we'll just pop those clips off there, bring the new one over and pop it in. Well, that was easier than expected. Just kind of popped right off. Now we're going to take the new one. Just kind of pop it on put the adapter on here. I don't know if you can see that. Slides right on. And we pop this new one right in place. Alright, so that feels like it's in both of the holes here. So make sure you get it locked in. Man, that looks good. Let me turn the headlights on. I don't know. I'm sure it's going to be, you know, better at night. But the old one kind of looks like it's lighting up more. But maybe not. Okay, so maybe the older one doesn't look brighter. It's just when I'm standing up here, we're not getting full. You know, so maybe the height up and down, the angle of the light may need to be changed. But if you come down here, you can see it gets brighter. So we just have to wait for the second one to come in, hopefully today. If it comes in today, we'll put it in tomorrow so we can come out later and get a night shot of the new versus the old headlight. Okay, well, it's a little bit dark now. I don't think you can really tell the difference between the new one on the right and the old one there on the left. The old one on the left, I'm going to say, is probably original, 25 years old. It's all fogged up, faded. The one on the right, it's nice and shiny, brand new lens. But, like I said, I don't think you really can tell the difference. You can see maybe a little bit the way the light comes off. You get the little shine going this way. But, I don't know, tomorrow we'll put the other one in and be good to go. Well, the other light came in yesterday, and we held off on installing it until today, so that last night we could take a little bit of video of the new versus the old in the dark. And as you can tell, it really didn't look all that different. I mean, the new one looked a little bit brighter, but not too much. You know, they are the same thing. One just has a foggier lens than the other. So I'm going to go ahead and swap out this second light, and then we'll call this project done. Again, I'm going to do the 2 clips, push them back, pop them up, and then the lens should pop right out, and swap the harness and good to go. I like to say that's it, but the left one is giving me a little bit of trouble there. Okay, well, that was a pain in the butt. So that left one did not want to go in. So the part that the slide lock clicks into on the bolt here wasn't far enough in. So we had to adjust this. We probably did it the wrong way, so we took the whole thing out, used a couple of wrenches and loosened it up, or moved the screw further out, and then we were able to lock it in place. So of course, another one of our projects takes a lot longer than it should. But anyway, the lights are done. So see you on the road.